Hello, CTV fam. We're here with our first interviewees this evening, Project One. Would you like to hear our viewers, our CTV fam?
Hello po. Hello everyone. Doon. Let's go. Introduce names. Okay. 2-1, Project One. We are next.
Yes. Hello, guys. Welcome to the CTV exclusive special of the P-Pop Music Awards. How are you doing tonight?
So today po, tonight is very thankful po kami na na-invite kami ngayon dito sa TAN P-Pop Music Awards, and this is our first red carpet din po as Project One. So we're very grateful po on having us po.
Yes, we're happy to have you guys here. And I want to ask, guys, sino ba nag-style ng damit nyo tonight?
Currently po, with the help of our team and our own fashion sense, then we created these masterpieces.
Wow, very good. I'm impressed. Bagay na bagay sa inyo.
Salamat. Thank you.
Anything want to add ngayong 2026 na anong ba ang abangan ng Project One ngayong 2026?
So, abangan nyo po kasi by this month or next year, mag-release na po kami ng first pre-debut single namin, and
Looking forward to that. Congratulations and best of luck to your P-pop journey. Thank you very much.
thank you so much.